guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney here, and I'm going to be doing my Sephora play for March. So I was supposed to get my Scentbird as well, so I was going to do a 2-for-1 situation, but my Scentbird keeps getting pushed back, and I need to film this video and get it up for you guys. So I'm just going to do it. Alright, so as always, it comes in a box, and then in here, again, per usual, is the little info sheets with some stuff on it. This month's box was like festivals vibes, and it's March here. Obviously, it's March everywhere, but there are no festivals in Michigan in March. But there's also like the 50-point Sephora Play thing. If you go into the store, let's just jump into what I got. So this month's bag is actually pretty cute. It's like tie-dye kind of, and it says beauty is my spirit animal. And it's like I don't know, it feels like a little bit silky, but it's not like satin. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty. I'll probably keep that one just because it's pretty. And then let's get into what I actually got. There's makeup all over my phone. So instead of a perfume sample, not we, but I know some other people. Just kidding, my camera just casually died, so starting again. Instead of a perfume sample, I got the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask for your hair. This is, I've never tried this before, but I've heard good things about it. It says massage through wet hair, let penetrate for 5 to 7 minutes, rinse well, use weekly or daily, avoid contact with eyes. Makes sense. Alright, so that will go into my Mini Madness Project pan most likely. The other thing that I got that I'm actually pretty excited about is the Stila All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I've heard really good things about this as well. It's just a little deluxe size. It has 0.008 fluid ounces. I like it. And it has like a nice tip on it. Ooh. Ooh. So that's definitely going to get put into rotation hopefully soon. But it will go in my drawer and we'll go from there. The next thing I got is another hair thing. This is the IJK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. And I feel like I already got this. I'm actually going to go check because I got something from this brand like 2 months ago. So hold that thought. Okay, so I was right. I already got one of these a couple months back. And so I'm just going to keep the one I already have because I haven't opened it. And I'm going to take this one and throw it into a giveaway or donate it or whatever. Because I don't necessarily need to. The next thing is the Carez Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser for all face types. Skin types, not face types. That didn't make any sense. I want to smell this. Oh, it's sealed. Well, we're going to unseal it because I'm probably going to start using this week anyway. It smells, can't really tell what this smells like. It smells like, it feels good. It's like kind of thick. Kind of smells like apples to me. I know that's not right, but that's what it smells like. Apples and cream. The next thing in here is a setting spray from Supergoop. This is the Defense Refresh Setting Spray Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Spritz over makeup to refresh your UV protection. I feel... Okay, I'm going to spray this just into my box because I want to see what the mist looks like. And I feel like SPF in a spray would just break down my makeup. Has anyone used this before? Let me know because I'm curious. But, oh, the spray is actually kind of nice. So I'll use this up and then maybe just replace what's in it with something else. And then the last thing, that literally smells like sunscreen. So it smells good. The last thing in here is the Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm in Bare Glow. And I have not tried this. I don't think I've actually tried anything from Bobbi Brown. But this is supposed to be like a moisturizer, I'm pretty sure. Oh. It's thicker than I thought it was going to be. Like, see it on my hand? But it looks like it smells nice. Honestly, this is not going to sound like it's nice, but it's nice to me because it's like good things. It like reminds me of good things. It smells like, you know the spray that you spray on horses to like deter bugs? It kind of smells like that. But like in a good way. I don't know. If you have horses, maybe you understand what I'm talking about. But I like that smell. I think it smells good. Like it's very herbal is what I'm trying to say. But it leaves like, I don't think you can really see it. It kind of leaves just like a luminous glow. Like I could definitely see where I didn't put it on versus where I did. It's not really picking up on camera though, but it is what it is. So I'll definitely try to use these things up. 2 hair things in one, that kind of just annoys me because I don't really care about hair products. And I recently went back through my Sephora Play profile and I kind of looked at what I had marked. And I changed some settings and stuff, but I don't know if it kicked in for this month. Maybe it'll kick in for next month. But I kind of said, like, I want less hair stuff and more other stuff, but I don't know. Because, like, in this one, technically, there is 2 makeup products, 2 skincare, and 2 hair products. So, I mean, it's pretty even in this box, but I just am tired of getting hair samples that I will probably never use. So that is my March Sephora Play. Let me know down below. I know I've already commented on a couple other people's Sephora Plays being like, I can't wait to see what I get. And like the general consensus that I've gotten is like people aren't super excited about this month's box. So I don't know, like I'm excited about the cleanser because I'm always excited about trying cleansers, and the eyeliner I haven't tried, and I always want to try like high-end stuff, so this Bobbi Brown Moisture Balm is kind of cool. So 3 out of 6 is not bad that I'm excited about. 50-50, I will take it, it's $10. So let me know down below, like I said, if you guys got a box this month and what you got, what your favorite thing is, etc., etc. I love you guys so much. If you want to hang out with me anywhere else on social media, that'll all be down below as well. Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat's down there. You can hang out with me anywhere on those. And you can also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and see my face more often. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everyone.